making some grits bowls. I'm gonna use half a pack of bacon, my Taffer air fryer. Got my bacon on, and I got some sausage defrosted in the microwave because Hannah likes hers with sausage. I like it with both, so I'll probably use a little bit of both. I'm gonna need cheese for the grits bowls, and I like to put some cheese in the grits. If you don't already have one of these rotary cheese graters, you need to get you one. It makes it so easy and quick. Done. I'm gonna get my sausage going. Tennessee Pride mild sausage. Now I'm gonna get me some water going for my grits. A cup of grits, so I'm gonna need 4 cups of water. A little less than 4 because I like to add some stuff later. My sausage is done. I'm gonna take it out because I'm gonna use the same pan to fix me some eggs. Water's boiling, so I'm gonna go in with a cup of grits. I'm just gonna whisk it so they don't get clumpy, and it don't take but a second. You can turn your heat down and let them cook. My bacon's done too. Look at it. We're gonna let that cool off a little bit and crumble it up. Starting to pop, so take it off the heat or at least turn the heat down. Start to get thick like that, then you can go ahead and put in your butter and cheese and all the good stuff. I'll show you. I'm gonna do a half stick of butter, probably half this cheese. I like a lot of cheese in my grits. Then you're gonna want some salt and pepper. Sometimes people cook their grits in chicken broth instead of water. And I've done that before, but I don't care for it too much. If I was doing like shrimp and grits, I definitely would do that. I just don't like the flavor of it for breakfast grits. I'm gonna add a little splash of milk to mine too. Those are pretty much done. I'm gonna let them sit and let those flavors come together and let them thicken up a little bit. For now, we need to drain this bacon grease. In my Taffer air fryer, the bacon cooks perfectly. Ooh, that's hot. So I'm just gonna put it over onto a plate. Let it finish cooling because I want to get this grease. Y'all are always asking me where I got this. It came from Amazon. It's got the little drain on it. I always save my bacon grease. Bacon grease is good left out on the counter for about a month or so, maybe a little longer. And it's good in the refrigerator up to 3 months. Again, maybe longer. I'm gonna wash that when we're done eating. Now we're gonna get our eggs going. There's a little bit of sausage grease left in here. Tennessee Pride sausage don't really make a lot of grease, to be honest. I might have to add a little bacon grease. I know I'm gonna add just a little touch of water. Y'all taught me that. It makes for some fluffy eggs. Well, it'd help if I'd stop getting shells in there. I'm just gonna scramble them right in the pan. A little splash of water, not much. Pour that in them and just let them slowly cook. I get asked about these a lot too, with the removable handle so you can put it in the oven. One more. I'll try to remember to put it all down there. I always like to start cooking my eggs just before they look like they're done, because then you can always flip them over. Let this pan cool off, but that's what they're looking like. They're so good. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and we're done. I'm about to call them in here to eat, but let me show you how I do mine first. That's what these grits are looking like. Oh, some grits. Maybe a touch more. Then I'm gonna put me some of these fluffy eggs on them. A little bit of the sausage. Then I'm gonna put the cheese next. And a little bit of this bacon on top. That's what my bowl looks like. I'm gonna try to get a little bit of everything in my bite. That's gonna be a big bite, but that's what it looks like. My mouth's watering. Then you just stir it all up and get to eating. I love you. Stay classy.